Yes, this is Terrence Rarick, and I'm providing training for our starter package on how we go about the Google listing and explaining more about what this starter package is all about. As you can see here, we're going to have theme-based websites for contractors. This one happens to be a landscaper theme for this Builder Online Solutions contract site. And what we've done is we've gone through and given them 3 simple packages they can choose from. If they don't have a website, they can get started with this for a $199 setup fee and get a 5-page website. And it's just $19 a month to host that on our side. The second package is what we're going to be going over in detail, and that's Get Found. And that means if you're a landscaper in this case, in your local service area, you're going to be found on the Google Maps section. And that's a part of what we're going to be training today. But the power in that is you're going to be front and center in your service area on that first Google Maps section. The third package is Get Exposure, and that is more in detail to video marketing, setting up some of the social marketing like Twitter and Facebook, and really adding some features to their website. With that said, let's get into this Google Maps training. What's important about the Google Maps training is understanding a process that we have to do every time when we bring on a new client. No matter what type of contractor they are, we need to go set up their business or verify their business on the Google Maps. So we go to the Google Maps section, search for the business, and either claim it or we're going to add a new one on. You need to have a Gmail account. And what we do beforehand for each client is we have them fill out a questionnaire. So on that questionnaire, we're going to have their company name, the employees, so we're familiar with that, their business address, it has to be accurate, their city, their state, their zip code, their main phone numbers. A lot of these, especially on Google, they're going to ask for all these specific numbers that we need to have accurate information on. Not just their website we need to have, but any Twitter, MySpace, blog, Facebook, LinkedIn information with their username and passwords. What if they're a landscaper, for example, what are their main areas they cover, city and state? Do they have more than one location? Pictures and videos, they need to send that all to us. So they can do it in a couple different ways, but they do need to send that to us. One thing Google will ask and other search engines will ask when we fill out their information is what are their coupons they're offering. We need to have them fill out that and have it very accurate. A description of their business is very important because this will be the same information we put across the board on Google and everywhere else to get them going. And this is where they can send some of the pictures and fill out their username and password. Then we have more information, when their business was established, what payments they take, what's their price range, affiliations, general information, products and services, brands, associations, so on and so forth. So you will get this back from each client that starts with us. Once that's done, we have to go through, take that information and fill out that on the Google Maps. And it's going to be exactly as you see here. We go through and add that information on. It's very specific. Once we start getting their photos and videos, you want to max that out once we get on Google. And my next video, we're going to go into on Google actually how we fill that information out. But this gives you an idea that we can, once we get these videos done, if they don't have videos, we can go into this website, Andymoto.com, and create a video for them, and we'll go into that also. We want to make sure we do a location check for them, and then a big part of what we're going to be doing is citations, and that's basically taking that questionnaire that they filled out and taking that information and transferring it to all these sites that we're going to have. And we'll go into that on our next video also. And then we actually going to start going to make sure that they're showing up on some of the social networks like Facebook and Twitter and MySpace, that they actually have those pages. And on our next video, we'll go into all this. Thank you.